Hi, I'm Doug, your tech support representative here in Atlantic, British. In this video, we're going to show you how to install our new LED taillights for our 06 to 09 Sport. Now, these have sequential taillights on each side, so it's going to add quite an upgrade to the back of the vehicle, and it's very easy to install. So let's show you how. First step, we're going to open the tailgate. That's going to give us access to the two Phillips screws that hold the inside of that taillight assembly in. Just give a little push and spin out. We'll take those two out, and then we'll show you where you need to pry to pop this out. So with a nice wide plastic trim tool, and I recommend using plastic because you don't want to use metal, you don't want to be damaging the paint. You're actually going to place it right in between the tail light and the body and just work it in until that pops out. If you'd like, you can put a rag or a piece of paper towel here or whatnot when you sneak the light out, so you're not, again, scratching the paint. So once we have the tail light out, you have a little tab right here. You're going to press that in with your thumb. Press hard. Sometimes you need to push in first to release and pop that out. And that's all there really is involved with removing the tail light. The new tail light assembly has bulbs and everything internal, so you just take all of this and place this aside. And before we peel the protective covering off, just so you know, it's going to tell you we're only going to ever replace these as a pair. So in other words, we're never going to put just one in and leave the other old one on the other side for whatever reason. Always put them in as a pair, and then make sure power is off when you install them. So we take our harness connector. You can see you have the little bump up top. That's going to line up with our release tab on that. So we're just going to push that in until we hear it click. So now you know you got a good solid leak. If it does pop out, you can see you got a sliding rail in there. This is just going to install right back on. Now, you'll find on some models that there is a connector right here. Actually, it may even be this one right here. This would normally be sitting right here. And what happens is the end of this connector lines right up with it, and you may not be able to install it. I recommend popping this out. You can tuck it down into this chamber just below, and that gives you plenty of room to install the new light. So we simply pop the two pins back in, put our two Phillips screws in. We're done with this side. We're going to do the same procedure on the other. So this is your finished product. You got LED taillights, you have sequential turn signal in 4 ways, LED side markers, and with a look that is quite different from the original equipment. So here is our new glow light installed, and you can see you have a nice bright tail light, all LED. You have a sequential turn signal, which will also do this when you run the 4 ways, and you have LED side markers. Very nice upgrade, very visible, and also very easy to install. So when you're ready to do the upgrade on your 06 to 09 Sport, just call any of our knowledgeable salesmen at 1-800-533-2210. Or if you'd like, you can click on this link and you can go to our website and order them directly through that. And if you like our how-to videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and look at the many videos we've already done. So we thank you for watching, and Rover on.